Well, gee, you get spoiled getting fed up there, I'll tell you. Really spoiled. We got the babies with you? Yes. I'm waiting for this after lunch to go off.
All I could see was your head.
We worked it out.
Nah.
The only commentary is picking up coal with yours.
There's Kingy's head.
Peter, I got something for you.
Reading many years ago.
Oh, God.
Union Jack walk around Union Jack, that kind of old mining.
There you go, sign is fake.
There's the locomotive mining there. They put a plaque on that was in the paper a few weeks ago. Yeah.
How is Bob? I haven't seen him for a while.
He's actually had surgery the other week.
Yeah.
He had, he's going really good apparently.
Over the back.
Over the back.
Yeah.
They're cutting it fine, aren't they? It's the 1 o'clock start if they...
Missed it.
Same start as yesterday, down there, but then we turn right and head out to the countryside of it. So, yes, we did.
Princess, get you know in the gloves?
Graham, I'll get you to give...
I saw that hunter cutting the ribbon, tears came to my eyes. But it wasn't emotion, I was just thinking of Lorena Bobbitt at the time. This morning I'm going to cut this cake, and if your eyes water, it's got nothing to do with the cake. Get the other side. That's right. We're going to cut it and just destroy it.
No, is it water?
I thought the tears in your eyes just with your underpants.
We also then have the
I can't remember that far back.
and the secretary behind as well.
Where's the secretary? Where is he?
We take the photo at the moment.
Stop stuffing around, secretary. Get your ass around here.
Yeah, be careful there how you talk to me. I'm very
You realise that if you add up the ages of all the people here, it
Unfortunately, we
comes
haven't
through.
got our treasurer with us.
Are we ready?
Go.
Go?
Look up here.
Oh, you went to the bottom.
How many presents do we have? 2, 3.
I can't see Dave's head.
3.
We've got to get Neville in. Yes, the third question. Come on.
Come on, do some bloody
Come on, grumpy old bastard, get yourself in my chair. Remind me of McGilvray.
Look like one of those blue right behind on his face, isn't he? Hang on, Colin.
Hey?
Come on, President.
President.
Do you want me to take one? Yeah. And, all right.
Oh, Chucky, what's in closer?
Now what do I do,
I
Dave?
can't get you in the angle.
Get that red one.
Yeah.
Whoa. My luck's changed.
Hang on. Oh, a bunch of uglies.
That's right. But you're not so pretty either.
No, you have come without your gloves. Right, well, here we go.
Yeah.
I just pushed it. Yeah, and I'll let you wind it up. Yeah. Oh, it does, doesn't it? Right.
Yeah.
Coffee?
Piece of cake.
Yeah. Linton for lunch? Not very far.
Oh, what did you get in?
I take it to the
That's like what happens at our place.
Milo there.
So this is the second cake you made? Yes.
Yeah, got a bit of open.
Here we are in Yakandanda, arriving for the 11th annual rally of the Antique Motorcycle Club. Here we are at the signpost of Railway Avenue, Wodonga Road. We are to come into here to Isaac Park, to where the rally is to begin. Sir Isaac Park, obviously established by at the council yard, which is providing us for our cars and trailers to be left here, because our rally is a stopover at Bright. A new member of our club, unloading, getting organised for our rally today. More of our entrants, unloading, getting organised for our start. Bevis Binney, getting organised. That is taking our luggage for our stopover rally. Bits of luggage have already started to fill up in the back. Here we are, overall look at the council yard with all the cars and trailers. Filling up. Morning tea, participants having a cuppa. Here we have Royce Fullard just arriving, backing in his trailer, ready to unload. Here we have Dave with his paper, getting the entrance to fill in their indemnity form. Started up his Royal Enfield. Go down for a cuppa. At Aylward's, ANA. I asked someone what ANA stands for. They said Art Nathalia Elwood, which isn't correct. Later in the proceeds of this rally, no doubt I will find out what is the correct name. Organising this rally today at 1:30, the 28th of March 1988, it is to begin. Art stirring them all up, make sure all their luggage is in the luggage vehicle for their stay at Bright. They have been asked to start to move their bikes out here of the compound of the council yard, getting organised for the start. Admittingly there's an hour to go, but time ticks away. We have the bikes out front of the sign here at Isaac Park. They're all being removed out of the council yard, getting organised for the start. All these bikes are pre-1930. Here we are, all riders gathering round. Art has called everyone to come over close to here to give a pep talk for do's and don'ts to the start of our rally.
Everyone come in close so they can hear what I've got to say, please. Oh, couldn't you just talk louder? Right. Backyards in Prescott. And we've got Alan and Selena Lowe from Sydney. We've got Arnold, of course, our regular from South Australia, which we always put in the motion to get to our rally. And anyone else that I've missed that's come a good distance. Kevin Cash, sorry Kevin. Kevin from Wollongong.
All had their pep talk, now it is action. Helmets, gloves, coats, on they go, ready to start. Here we are, coats, helmets, jackets, all getting ready to start. It's been quite a long morning, although time has gone quick. A lot arrived very early. Here we are, coming in for afternoon tea here at Mudgegoona Primary School. Is here where we're going to have afternoon tea, which is on the way to Bright. It's all parked in the school. Bikes parked here in the school. 1924 Scout, 11 Triumph, Hutchins, 1920 with sidecar is on the backup trailer. Nothing majorly wrong with it, only just wouldn't pull up the hills from Risco. Precision, it's on its side because it's draining petrol out that has a split petrol tank leak, which is a regroup at a service station here. Day 2 of our Yakandanda to Bright rally. We have this morning travelled down to Harrietville. Not all of us came, it was an option. Here we are, pulled up at Harrietville at a service station. Those that need petrol are fuelling up now. The Harley Davidson from South Australia, Arnold de Groot. Hunters, 1916 Harley.
What about that head? What happened? What happened?
On Triumph, never bad. Norton, that Frank Stade is riding.
Oh, yeah, ours is 26.
Dave was the organiser for this run down to Bright to Harrietville this morning. In 1915, Alan had this to the Cessna 1 week rally. Village on the edge of Mount Buffalo, a skiing resort. Very picturesque, autumn. Leaves starting to turn. I've done his 1911 Triumph.